Hi folks, welcome back. So today we'll be seeing the CTAs feature. The CTAs section lets you modify the buttons that are present in each annotation box throughout the demo. Now you guys must be wondering how did we get the let's start button over here? Is that how your first cover annotation usually starts? No, it is like this. But now let's see how I change this to this. So let's come here. Let's come under the CTS section. So we have quite a lot of options over here. So let's see if we can hide the back button. Yes, we can. And we can add, we can hide this button as well. We can show this button. We can change the text. Say, let's start. Just like that. We can change the button style from primary to link to outline. I personally like primary. Button size, we can change it to small. No, too big. Let this be medium. You can also change the button layout. See, that looks pretty good. We also have an option to add another CTA, or maybe try Google Calendar first yourself, just like that. Now let's see how we can add a link. So say we go to the last annotation. This is done, and this one says take me to Google Calendar. Let's go here. Let's click on this. Let's add the Google Calendar link. Let's click on submit. Now, when we preview this, let's go to the last screen. This is the last screen. Let's click on Take Me to Google Calendar. And here we go, the link works. Thank you, folks. Please stay tuned for further videos.